Hello. I'm gonna make a video with. What's your name again?
T.
T, I guess. I can't remember the name. I seriously always forget. I don't know why. Can you touch her? My dogs. In the room. So we're gonna make a behind the scenes video today. What video you want to talk about first?
I guess all ones are made. I mean, I don't really know.
Yeah. How about talking video? How about that one?
Sure.
Okay. You start off first from the edit from that.
We were just walking down the hall and stuff and talking, I guess.
Yeah.
I mean, there wasn't really anybody out there, so it was kind of boring. But
Yeah, we didn't really hear creepy sounds because we know this apartment's haunted sometimes,
yeah.
but that night we didn't hear anything.
Yeah. Yeah, it was weird, but we made it anyway.
Yeah. Part 2 that didn't really do well because we didn't really do anything.
Yeah.
And what other videos do we do, Tara?
Like the hide and seek one or...
Oh yeah, the hide and seek one that I've made with Peyton and
yeah, I think so.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah. I lost. Right?
Yeah. I think I did too or something.
Me and you were tied, but when we played around, like, we were tied and I lost.
Yeah, true.
I was, like, right behind Peyton, which is kind of, like, crap. I was gonna, like, follow her so we get found first, but, like, she's trying to, like, send her on first, and I was like, dang it. So, obviously, that's how I got slapped in the face. How about another video we made?
At 3 a.m., I think.
Yeah, we've made a couple of those. You guys have probably seen them.
Yeah.
We've made a couple 3 a.m. videos.
It was creepy.
Yeah, what were you scared of?
I don't know, there was like so many noises like in the walls and stuff, like it was so creepy.
Yeah, like in the stairwell.
Yeah, it was like weird.
And also I've made a couple on the golf cart.
Oh yeah.
But it's over at my dad's, but we can't drive over there, so I'm gonna bring it back over here. Maybe. I'm not sure, guys. But yeah.
Yeah.
You
should like do the golf cart and stuff. Like, I don't know.
Over my dad's?
Like paint it, or not paint it, but like...
Paint it, huh?
But like put cool stickers on it and stuff, like that way people know it's yours, you know.
Yeah, I think I should like get like TikTok stickers.
Yeah, or something that like represents you, or...
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Or get like a little license plate on the back or something.
Yeah. And stuff, yeah, I might need that anyway.
Yeah.
So, yeah, anyway, that was cool. So, by the way, guys, I'm going to show you my TikTok account and go follow me, please. On TikTok. And check out some of my vids. Because I make a lot on TikTok. Because I like it. And some of my videos are kind of cringy, which that's kind of okay, I guess. Right, Tara?
Yeah.
Some of them are cringy, some of them are good, some of them are horrible, which you can't really understand me. Just like in my videos on YouTube, because my voice is so hard to hear. I don't know if you guys can hear T at all, but... Yeah.
I did not want to get up.
She did not want to get up.
Yeah,
we were going to make a 3 a.m. video because it is 3 a.m. right now, but she didn't want to. But we might actually have creepy sounds because I think my apartment's haunted too, don't you think?
Yeah, it's where
Yeah.
it could be at night. Like that type
Yeah.
stuff. Like that's what.
Like, it sounds like this. I did the first time because I wanted you guys to hear what it sounds like. Or it might be like this. Might be like, or something bad. I don't know, y'all. It's creepy here. And stuff, so yeah. Anyway, we're just gonna be talking again, and that sound was not me. That came from the door over there.
Yeah, it always does that.
I just
get scared.
I
The
know.
bathroom's always cold and stuff. It's weird.
That door's like closed on its own. The door is closed on its own. So, guys, like, hold on. I'm gonna put my phone out here for 1 sec. Can tell something. Tell me if you guys see anything out here. Alright, guys, I'm gonna watch the video back, see if you saw like any running ghosts or crap. So that TV was on. I swear. Look, like it was on. Turn on.
I was watching it, just turn on.
I know.
And the blinds open, like I don't even open them.
What? You didn't?
No. Like I literally closed them today.
1 sec, y'all. I'm gonna do something real quick. I'll phone right here real quick. 1 sec. Tell me if you see anything up, y'all. Like, up.
Alexa, play Alexa.
Hold on. Guys, she's trying to say something to Alexa at 3 a.m., which is very creepy. Actually, you know what? Just forget it. Alexa, just stop. Okay, if there's something real creepy, I want you to see if you see like any entrance of the ghost. I feel like I'll be some. Which I know that. Because you guys will keep me updated, you know? I feel you guys are so nice to me. But, you know what? Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna leave you up. So what you see. Y'all, this is, yeah, so that's the same thing, like, entrance kind of, you know? That's a good idea, you know? I'm back in the room now. So, What?
The song. Why are they playing that? I didn't even say anything.
Did you say anything?
No.
Guys, you hear that? It's playing Old Town Road right now. It just turned up.
I got the horses in the back, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black.
Yeah, that's creepy.
Riding on a horse.
Alexa.
You can whip your Porsche.
Alexa.
Been in the valley, you ain't been up on
Alexa.
that porch. Now, can't nobody tell.
It's not turning off. Alexa. Stop. Thank God. Guys, that was so creepy. Like, I cannot turn it off for a second, but finally it turned off. And then stuff just happened, you know, like... Yo, what the hell?
The door's closed, yo.
Yo, I'm walking over there. I'm getting over here fast. Yo.
The freak? This is getting weird. It's so weird right now. What the freak?
What the hell was that?
I don't even know, man.
Yo, I'm getting creeped out. Like, on a normal stream, it's like nothing. Stuff like this has never happened.
Yeah.
Like, we always start off in the apartment. Nothing's ever dropped from the ceiling. The blinds is never closed.
Yeah.
Never heard knocks on the door super loud. Alexa's never played. Nothing like this ever happened before.
Yeah. It's
I'm gonna go back outside again because I gotta tell hear something again. Guys, it's creepy. I don't know if Alexa's gonna start playing our song or not, but I don't know if I can. I'm gonna begin now. No way.
So you're still thinking of me, just like I know you should. I can't
Is this Young, Dumb, and Broke?
do everything, you know I wish I could. I'm so high at the moment. I'm so
What the hell?
caught up in this.
What the fuck?
We're just young, dumb, and
What?
broke, but we
I know. Should we I don't know what to do. If one more song plays on this, I'm leaving. Are you? Yeah.
Young, dumb, and broke. Young, dumb, broke.
I don't get this. It's so creepy. I don't know if the Alex Court's doing something, or the Charge is doing something, or anything's doing anything. I don't know. Like the vacuum. Like, what is happening? Is someone in the bathroom doing it? Like, what is doing it? Nothing can do it. Except for her, but I know she's not doing it. Like, I'm here the whole time. Alexa, stop. I thought I did the same thing, like, not turn off for me. But anyway, whatever. I just can't start making this behind the scenes anymore. Because creepy 3M shit's happening.
Yeah. What the freak?
Oh no.
I don't even know. What?
Yo, this is so scary. I'm outside, for 1 sec. Set this around here for 1 minute. Guys, it's just so creepy. I don't know what is happening. I don't remember what we said about Alexa. One more song, we're gone. I'm gonna go back in. I don't know what's happening. So I'm gonna go back in now. Hey. Another song. So first, Old Town Road.
No, it's just playing.
Then Young, Dumb, and Broke, and now God's Plan.
It's like what? It's like all the songs that we play like every day.
Yeah.
And it's like already knows. Like,
Yeah, I don't care what y'all say, but we play these to judge them, but we don't really want to. But they're good. But they're all good because we judge them like 10 out of 10. They're very good, but they're just playing now. Tara, what do you think? Should we leave or not?